So today we are going to begin dealing with external files. And the great thing about external files that it gives us that we haven't been able to do before is the ability to save our data from a running program so that if we open up the program later, it can pick up where it left off, right? Up till now, like the ATM program, for example, when you shut it down or when it stops running and you run it the next time, it goes back to those starting values in each account. Obviously, a real ATM program can't be doing that because then you would have a never ending supply of money, or you'd at least think you did. So we've got to figure out how to save our data and bring it back the next time the program runs. This is common. It's so common that we take it for granted, right? You take it for granted that you can walk away from Microsoft Word and come back and you're able to open the file that you were working on before. That's just something that's sort of obvious and intuitive. So that while this is sort of a basic idea from what we're used to using in the world, it's a big jump forward in terms of what we can do with our programs now because we have the ability to save data in between things.